Hey, welcome back to the Belted Galloway Homestead. Here's a video that I normally wouldn't do, but since I've got the YouTube channel and the do-it-yourself section, I thought I would at least cover this because I can't find any information online about this stuff. But I had a local auctioneer that had a whole semi-trailer full of different sizes of these brand new Kobalt air compressors. And you know, it's one of those things you're taking a risk when you're buying it. No warranty or nothing, but man, they were like brand new. So I got it home, plugged it in, and the motor won't run. It sits there and hums. And I've tried it in both 120 and 220, and it won't hum. I mean, it won't run, just hums. So I don't know what the problem is with the motor, starting capacitors or what it could be. So I could take the belt off and the motor runs, and but put the belt back on, and it just doesn't have the power to start up this compressor. I looked online and see if there was any information of something like this, because I mean, the thing is practically, it is new. So there must have been a bunch of store returns, or there was problems with the motor or something, and this auctioneer must have got a hold of them, freaking a whole truck full of them, and he's selling them. And you don't know, but like I said, turn out the motor's bad or something. So I got an old motor laying around. I'm gonna throw it on here and see what'll happen with it. But I just wanted to get the word out there to see if anybody else is seeing these Kobalts. They're actually made by Campbell Hausfeld, and they look very similar. I think DeWalt has one that's yellow that's just like it. But it's supposed to be pretty good compressor. But these, like I said, these had something wrong with them. So either they were defective from the factory, they were returns or something, and I picked a bad one that had the bad motor. So if anybody's aware of this, let me know. Like I said, I just wanted to spread the word that there could be these compressors getting out there that they look brand new, but they won't run the best for you. I got the old motor on there that I had laying around, and it runs good. Turns out that the motor was bad, weak for some reason. I'll take it to a motor shop to see if it's an easy fix, but you know, don't know. Just wanted to get the word out. If somebody's selling what looks like brand new air compressors, and too good to be true. It might be too good to be true, and it might end up having to put a motor on them on that. So if anybody's aware of other people having this issue, let me know. Maybe we can figure out what the problem is. I imagine the motors were just bad from the factory, probably wired wrong or something from China, and we'll see. But so I got me a running compressor now. Thank goodness I had an old motor laying around the homestead here.